What? Another unboxing video? I too have seen the meme. Is this really the time for I have a book coming out? Yes. Yes, it is. Because the books in this box are about the transformative power of the imagination. And as we collectively move into a brave, dangerous new world, we need to harness our creativity to keep our dreams alive. How to Draw the World, Harold and the Purple Crayon, and the Making of a Children's Classic gives you 30 stories behind this story. Who are the children who inspired the character of Harold? Why a purple crayon? For that matter, how did Crockett Johnson overcome his editor's initial indifference to the story? At this point, some of you may be thinking, wait, didn't this book come out like 2 months ago? Well, sort of. As I discovered while making that unaired unboxing video, the original copies were missing the 16-page color insert. Oxford University Press recalled the entire unsold stock, added the insert, and the correct copies of the book are now available. If you received a color insert-less copy, please contact Oxford University Press. They will send you a new copy of the book. Indeed, if there is any problem, please contact me. So right now, with beautiful color illustrations, including influences on Harold like Paul Klee, evidence of children's crayon vandalism inspired by Harold, and even how Harold has been repurposed to oppose the regime of Mad King Donald. Crockett Johnson wrote Harold and the Purple Crayon while under investigation by the FBI, and even while under investigation and in danger of losing his livelihood, he dared to dream and to show us the transformative power of the imagination. As neuroscientist David Eagleman says in the film, the creative brain, creativity is, quote, a superpower that we all possess. It is, quote, the most potent transformative tool that we have at our disposal. And as Ruha Benjamin says, imagination is a field of struggle. And now, my friends, it is the time to join that struggle, to be bold, to be creative, to dream of the world that we deserve, and to build that world together. And come what may, you can always remember what Harold would do. Keep your wits and your purple crayon. Whether this small book about an even smaller book is of interest to you, remember that. Be creative, keep your wits. You got this.